Hi, my name's Ania and I'm applying for the Silver Crest Coding Challenge. So for my thing, I made a smart fan that uses the pollution level and touch motion sensor to start a small DC motor. So this is the code that we made, me and some other people. So essentially what it does is it uses a pollution sensor, an ultrasonic sound sensor, to measure the distance, like a hand sensor, and then it also has a pollution sensor, which will measure its pollution. So as you can see from my serial monitor, currently my sensor is around 3 meters away from me, and this is the pollution level, and it hasn't been triggered yet, so my fan hasn't started. But if I move my hand closer, you can see how it's gone. The distance is 5 centimeters, and there's an obstacle, and my DC head motor has gone up. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So I think one second. So here you can see my circuit board, my ultrasonic sound sensor, and my DC motor here with a little bit of paper to signify the motor. Obviously, in different circumstances, if I had the correct resources, I would have made a proper fan, but this is enough to show you what it's done. So now I'm going to show you. If I put my hand here, you can see the DC motor will start to move. You can see it turning. It's pretty cool. So like that. So this essentially is my super smart fan that I made. Thank you.